He has a documentary.
Oh God.
Well, you do anything if you want to become filthy rich. And besides, he's a businessman, so he's entitled to do whatever he likes. We can't judge, remember.
Yeah, I understand we can't judge, but the fact of the matter is that he gave a documentary, but yet when his wife wants to be happy,
Yeah.
he ain't want his wife to be happy. He wants his wife to be miserable like him.
Right.
That's why I said, oh God. That's why I said like that.
Well, Britney Spears did a documentary. Ariana Grande did a documentary.
Oh no, I saw Britney Spears documentary. They did that girl dirty wrong.
Right.
They did her dirty wrong. I'm gonna tell you what that. Her family did her dirty wrong.
They need to do a documentary about Elvis Presley, since they're making the Elvis Presley movie. That's what they need to do. Make a Elvis Presley movie about. I see they are making the movie. Yeah. So I'm looking.
I've seen people that do a documentary. Who was it that did a documentary? They did a documentary on somebody. I was talking about. It was Amy Winehouse.
Yeah, I saw that one.
I saw.
Amy Winehouse.
And I'm like, wow, I can't believe that, she went through stuff like that. Wow.
One day, it's funny that you said Amy Winehouse. One day, when she passed away, I was reading about how she was addicted to crack cocaine, and she was going to rehab when she made that song, Rehab, and the guy was telling me, you can't take the newspaper with you. Either you have to look at it, because I almost stole a Game Informer's magazine, but mistakenly, I told him, can I look at it and can I please take it with me? But he said you can only look at it, but some of them they'll give it to you. But I gotta sign up for it again because I'm subscribed for it, and I want my.
Why did you actually want to know who I'm dating? Who I'm in a relationship with?
Who?
Christy. She like, who is she? What's her name? And then she like, add me on Messenger video. I'm not adding you, Jack. Let me tell you right now, part of me will forgive, but the other part of me like, nah.
Oh man, yeah.
Invite you back in my inner circle.
Listen, don't add her. Don't even respond, cause she did the same thing to me.